Ready for the ride of your life? Join us in Ketchikan for a thrilling fast boat adventure along the rugged coastline of Southeast Alaska. Suit up with waterproof gear and get ready to take control of your very own inflatable fast boat. After a quick lesson, it's time to explore the pristine waters of Clover Pass. Pilot your boat through the beautiful protected waters where bald eagles soar above and the wild beauty of the Tongass National Rainforest surrounds you. Keep your eyes peeled for local wildlife as you explore the intertidal zones and enjoy the thrill of the ride. Stunning Alaskan beauty makes this an epic day on the water, rain or shine. Relax at Salmon Falls Resort with delicious local treats. Come explore and experience Ketchikan like never before.